My internship journey at Pulang Lupa National High School was not just a requirement I needed to complete, it became one of the most meaningful experiences of my life. At the beginning, I only had knowledge from books, discussions, and lectures. I thought I understood what teaching was, but when I finally stepped into a real classroom, I realized that teaching is far more than delivering lessons. It is about understanding students, managing different personalities, adjusting to unexpected situations, and creating an environment where learning truly happens. This journey was filled with nervous moments, small victories, challenges, and realizations that slowly shaped me into the teacher I am becoming today. And this is my internship journey. My journey officially began with the deployment orientation. This was my first real step into the professional world of teaching. During this time, I was introduced to the school's vision, mission, and school policies. I learned that about the expectations, responsibilities, and proper conduct that I needed to follow as an intern. At first, I felt a mix of excitement and nervousness. Everything was new: the environment, the people, and the responsibilities. But at the same time, I felt motivated because I knew I was finally entering the field that I have been preparing for. This orientation helped me understand that teaching requires professionalism, discipline, and commitment. It reminded me that I am not just representing myself, but also my school and my future profession. It was at this moment that I realized this is where my journey as a teacher truly begins. One of the important experiences during my internship was participating in the fire safety seminar and drill. During this activity, I observed how students and teachers work together to respond to emergency situations. They followed proper procedures, stayed calm, and evacuated in an organized manner. As I watched this, I realized that safety inside the school is a shared responsibility. As a future teacher, I will be expected to guide my students, not only in academics, but also in situations that require quick thinking and leadership. This experience taught me that being a teacher means being prepared at all times. It is not just about teaching lessons, it is about protecting and guiding students in every situation. Another meaningful activity was the earthquake drill. Students practice the duck, cover, and hold technique and safely exited the classroom. Seeing how prepared they were made me realize the importance of consistent training and awareness. As a future teacher, I understood that I must remain calm and composed during emergencies because students will look up to me for guidance. This experience reminded me that teaching is not only about knowledge, it is also about responsibility, awareness, and care for students' safety. During my internship, I had opportunity to join a birthday celebration with the school teachers. Although it was a simple gathering, it became a meaningful part of my experience. Being surrounded by experienced educators in a relaxed setting allowed me to observe their camaraderie, teamwork, and genuine connection with one another. I saw how they supported each other, not only in their professional responsibilities, but also in their personal moments. As an intern, this made me feel welcome and included in the teaching community, gave me a sense of belonging, and reminded me that teaching is not an isolated profession. Behind every classroom is a group of teachers who collaborate, share ideas, and uplift each other. This experience helped me understand the importance of building strong professional relationships. It showed me that a positive and supportive faculty environment plays a big role in creating an effective and inspiring school community. Through this moment, I realized that being a teacher also means being part of a team, one that grows, learns, and succeeds together. I also had the opportunity to witness the Juniors Ball 20 Christmas. This was one of the most memorable events during my internship. Seeing the students dress elegantly and confidently expressing themselves was truly inspiring. It showed me that students are not only learners inside the classroom, they are individuals with talents, personalities, and dreams. This experience reminded me that education goes beyond academics. It includes helping students grow socially, emotionally, and personally. As the days passed, I became more involved in teaching. I started preparing lesson plans, organizing materials, and assisting students during activities. There were moments when I felt unsure of myself, but I continued to learn and adapt. With guidance from my cooperating teacher, Sir Briggs P. Bartolome, I gradually gained confidence and improved my teaching approach. The most challenging yet fulfilling part of my internship was my final demonstration teaching. This was the moment where everything I learned was put to the test. I spent time preparing my lesson carefully, making sure that it was organized, clear, and engaging. On the day of my demonstration, I felt nervous. My heart was racing, and I kept thinking about whether I would do well. But as I stood in front of the class and started teaching, I reminded myself to stay focused. I interacted with the students, asked questions, and encouraged them to participate. Little by little, my nervousness turned into confidence. I realized that teaching is not about being perfect, it is about being prepared, being sincere, and doing your best for your students. That moment made me feel proud of how far I have become. From being unsure at the beginning, I was now able to stand in front of a class and teach with confidence. It was not just a demonstration, it was a proof that I am ready to become a teacher. The culmination marked the end of my internship journey. It was a moment filled with mixed emotions, happiness, pride, and a little sadness because this meaningful experience was coming to an end. Looking back, I realized how much I had grown, not just a future teacher, but also as a person. My internship journey was not easy, but every challenge helped me grow stronger. Every experience taught me something valuable. This journey showed me that teaching is more than a profession. It is a responsibility, a passion, and a commitment to shaping the future. As I move forward, I will carry these lessons with me and continue striving to become a better educator. This is my journey, and this is only the beginning.